Okay, now speaking of gaming phones, gaming in general, mobile phones are the number one device for gamers, gaming overall by a long shot.
Really?
That kind of makes sense because of how many phones are out there and the global distribution.
Mm.
But actually, this, believe it or not, this study here is just the U.S.
Oh.
Coronavirus pandemic led to heightened gaming usage and viewership of gaming video content in 2020, with mobile phones being the most popular device for gaming in the U.S. We expect there will be 159.1 million monthly mobile phone gamers in the U.S. this year. There's only 350 million people in the U.S.
Mm.
That means practically everybody's gaming on their phones, which is kind of funny because I'm not doing that much gaming on my phone. But I got those other platforms too.
Sure.
If I am going to pick up a game, and who even knows what constitutes a game?
Yeah, because I was thinking like puzzles.
It's everything.
Like a jigsaw.
I think
puzzle.
I think it's everything.
Everything.
I
guess it's categorized in like the App Store and Play Store.
89.5% of all U.S. digital gamers are gaming on a mobile phone. And it continues to increase. So, like 1% or 1.5% each year.
Mm.
It's popular because it's readily available. I mean, this makes sense. That makes sense. It's too easy compared to other gaming platforms. Now,
Right.
Here we have a breakdown, another chart, breakdown by age. Mobile gamer growth in North America by age. Look at the 2 to 12-year-olds. They're up 9%. 13 to 24-year-olds, less so.
Huh.
But look at the 45 plus.
Oh, wow.
The elder statesman types. That's yourself. You're in that category. Well,
yeah, I like my Sudoku.
You're trying to stay sharp.
Mm-hmm.
45 plus.
Yeah, I'm not playing the Fortnites or
No,
PUBGs, but
that's right.
I love a Sudoku.
You kind of makes sense though. That's the group.
Yeah.
That's another group that's been locked down a little bit more. They may have been doing other things for entertainment, maybe more travel, maybe more restaurants, and then they're like, all right, I got to pick up these games now.
Yeah.
Stay sharp. Anyway, that's a big market. Mobile games. We already knew it. You already knew it.